Join us for a tutorial on ChatGPT for beginners on Friday the 24th of March at 7 to 8:15 in the evening, Beijing time. If you are new to ChatGPT, want to learn the basics, I will explain how to set it up and what are the benefits of ChatGPT. So let's get started and look at what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot that can chat with humans like a real person. It can explain things, remember what was said earlier in the conversation, and elaborate on ideas. ChatGPT is currently completely free. However, there might be a cost involved in the future because of the eye-watering cost of computing power needed to run ChatGPT. First things first, head over to chatopenai.com and hit sign in to create your account. Currently, there isn't a dedicated app for ChatGPT, but you can bookmark this site on your web browser. Using ChatGPT is super easy. Just type a prompt in the big text box and hit enter. If you are unsure of what to ask, they even have some examples on the home page you can click on for inspiration. For example, let's click on Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? And ChatGPT will come back with a list of super cool suggestions. So let's try it out before it costs money to do so.
Hello everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification button.